On the third part of opening up Light Mystery Box 2018 for Ourworld, we just got this really cool wings, which is a duplicate. But we're gonna keep opening boxes and hopefully we'll finish this in this video. If we get all the items we needed. So this is what we have so far. I like the trimmings and the ruffles. Very cool looking. So we have right now 21 boxes left to open. So we're gonna keep going and opening them. Got the shoes. Okay. Halo looks cool. Cute shoes. Got them duplicate. So we're almost done opening up the boxes that we've purchased. All the duplicates I'll be putting on Marketplace to sell, and we'll check after we're done what items that we haven't gotten, if any, from the box. Feathery shoes, kind of creative. last 4 boxes of what we got. So let's take a final look at all our items that we received out of our light box purchase. So we got this wand as well as the halo and the boots. So let's check what we're missing. So we're missing one wing, the wing called Righteous Feather Wing. We're also missing the angelic chorus long hair. We just got the short. We're missing cherubic eminence boots and thigh highs. So we're buying our missing wings, righteous feather wings. Market. We're buying our angelic chorus long hair as well. Cherubic eminence boots and thigh highs. So these are our last items that we're missing, and we have everything after this from the light box. So if you have any questions, my Facebook page is facebook.com/yozallplay, YOSALLPLAY. I appreciate y'all watching, and good luck with your box openings, etc. So all I have to do now is just sell all the duplicate items that we got out of our box. So just good to earn some coinage, etc. Bye.